yo ba. Asholeng aya ayuda agena narishata angasa omone ndaita nganyiti nyipoken peeki gira penno peeki tumoki atoningunoto enkiti sidai tenkaraki eyaua duo yiok Enkai toonepaasha peeki ponu aininingo nishoo ntae Enkai omom sapuk oleng nemeer ilasakutok nemeer irmang'ati linyi. Nayieu najo ekincho oshiake enkiti rishata kidogo maawa ena rishata tendae kutuk neme enkutuk ang aitambua larikok likiata tene naisum enkiti toki ajo sinanu pilotu alo ayiolou naji oshi enkiroroto dorrop nai highlight nena duo nayieu naas amu ore ena nkai naji manifesto nigero sininye aitobiraki toonkardasini piishori iltung'anak metodua. Ekitoning'ote? Ore enedukuya meisisi Enkai. Ore eniare iyiololo ajo ikitii duo ene nayieu nintodolu lorkerembe lentoki naji Azimio. Azimio! Azimio! Very good. Na Mungu awabariki sana. Nataka kuchukua fursa huu kabisa kuwatambua the present dignitaries. We have our incoming president, the fifth, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Asante sana. Our incoming Governor Honorable Moitale Lolekenda, Honorable Opio Wandai, Honorable Peter Kenneth, Honorable Senator wetu Ledama Olekina, Honorable Mama Wangufu Sabina Shege, Mheshimiwa Honorable ndugu yangu Junet Mohamed, Honorable Andrew Sunguli PS, Honorable Suleiman pia kuna sisi hapa, na tuko na viongozi wengine wa tabaka mbalimbali kutoka eneo hii ya Masai Mara ama Narok County kwa ujumla. Basi ningependa tu kusema baba umekaribishwa hapa rasmi, hapa ni kwako, it is your bedroom. Pamoja tuko na asante sana. Mimi tu nataka baba kuchukua fursa mfupi sana kwa sababu time will not allow us and we are still heading to Suswa for ndugu yangu Lengwes. So I will take the shortest time possible because we don't have time. So kindly, I've said that we have our manifesto written. It is spread out. You can have it. So I'm not going to do it. I will do something very brief for the sake of time. It gives me great joy to see you all at my home today. Your presence here is a credibility stamp on my candidature and a clear demonstration that I have your backing. I take this earliest opportunity to thank each of you for supporting my journey to the August House. We are 42 days to the elections, and we enter the home stretch. We need clarity of purpose and the strength for the last push towards the finishing line. Dear friends, when you ask me to elevate my game to the national level, I heard you. Here, therefore, is what I promised to deliver when you send me to the National Assembly. I undertake to strengthen wildlife management laws to allow our people to benefit more from the Masai Mara National Game Reserve. The Masai Mara Game Reserve is currently riddled with mismanagement and opaque operations with minimal benefits coming to the people of Narok County. As has been the case, a mischievous governor can easily exploit the weak laws for the personal gain. This resource sits in our constituency, and it must make a difference in the lives of our people. I purpose to secure the future of Masai Mara Game Reserve as a community resource. Dear friends, I'll work hard to keep more girls in school. We need a mother Kome from Endonyo Narasha, a mother Karua in Ngineji, Kilelewoni, or even in Pimpinet. We are not hearing enough about the retention of girls in school. Many girls enroll, but few complete primary schools due to child pregnancies. Indeed, Narok is one of the leading counties for early childbearing. We must stop children pregnancy. I will institute measures to mentor and protect our girl child so they can remain children and pursue an education. Friends, I also commit the following when I get elected. 1, push for 70% employment slots for local indigenous people. That is, in all institutions operating in our landscape. That is including the Masai Mara Game Reserve and all other facilities within our domain. Facilitate access to educate grants by the needy. Promote access to clean water in every village. Empower women, youths, and persons with disabilities, empowering to enable them to benefit from existing affirmative action programs such as the WESO Fund and the 30% reservation in all procurement by public entities. Advocate for the electrification of our centers and even in our household in various village level. That is by enhancement of capacity to ensure the right load, 3-phase, to address the constant power blackouts that limit our centers and our homes from operating optimally. Enhance the accessibility and ease transport by facilitating construction of bridges and servicing of roads, and even opening the unopened roads within our areas. Lobby for the establishment of a police station at Olbusumoru to address a rampant insecurity along our shared border with Tanzania. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, friends, partners, and supporters, you have the power to bring about the transformation I describe here today. I therefore humbly urge you to rise up on the morning of the 9th August 2022, head to your polling station and vote for Honorable Julius Tipapa or Kirokok Joho as your next member of parliament. May God grant people of Narok West my manifesto here for you to review. Asho lenga mayanda yanga inati shumara. Ore da mware jona iga asia idangara ige buitoi. Na ga ina jo indurro de ne na denge berta. Nemi durre anga ilona lenyana media nge berta. Kayo na jo gendai kieto do elonja na to ginaji manifesto na atendorobo leng kage good tolo yola ngora ide ne ado. Kia da serikali na lolonga tene. Kia do rais ogera ajengo. Kia do gavana yogera ajengo. No re da faudi akolo ngana ko to ni de no ligiara re de nakop. Na la ribok longishu ola ino sak longishu. Na yina jogindai. Engada na nashukogi yoga ngai nglaniang. Engada na nashukogi ni yoga maliang na imenna. And I want to remind the incoming President of the Republic of Kenya, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. I know you pioneered a commission on matters truth, justice, and reconciliation on matters land injustices. I remember there was one corrupt, sadistic murderer, a governor to the British government during the colonial era, where he stated very clearly to the public domain And he said he don't have desire to protect Masaidom, saying again, it is a bloody and it is a disastrous and a bloody system that is disastrous to its neighbors and to themselves. That the more they disappear and become unknown, apart from in the book of anthropology, the better. But God forbid. That was his statement. Erejabaila Shumba Yoji Sir Charles Eliot. No, or governor Yabal or British and Gadon Grisa, all are in the world Lusoitie. What a low show or Masai. Nejo Mada Tepat, Namada Yesera Yajo Yeriban Golona Bo. Amolo Shoki Serut, Waidaki Adani Dagilosho Nova Niki. Nejo and Negaita Nakebu Merada on Bugu Young Garden to me, Naina Negash, Kagameran Gaina Giguana. Naina Garabesa and Doganaji colonial misadventure. A Graya Rumuluanak, Tendoro Rumbaganagop. Nora Migi Nigroleng, I'm a big another Napodasin Yele or Colega Yelera Sajimo. Nigia and Gobang Nashomo, Nimiki Moy to the Kudelena meeting and Panalo. Kia dal jampa ilo lo solang o shomo tendoror namba kaneso kayina jogi ndai maragu mo lomon ay sabo ken jepay ndai to ngi shini ndai to seseni linyi pegi ngori ngoro ena orbungile narok west telario garaje nguta naga dalike garawa o shangugo mare ndo ngai de mare jo sabo ndai kaka yone siligi ndai ajogi ore le siligi ligede peka na yolo lo shagari gito ndai da mara od lari gito de nene yolo le narako es lagre no sage ore mara on naida sheye naga bono shugule kai soja ali mungule ba nemetiu ore da nengor ke medare de ndena nya awshe na nugura naga dio silango gengi shwangare ne di darasa ore mase mara secondary dende na ngori da dende weji na de 1.5 million shillings ore ba ngor lo sokon de yangare 3.5 million ne di ora bara da bologili do agade boli ore bi mana lo sokon neti office na debati ne weja banatu ngayegi ni complete ore bilew endonye ni ngapuling station neti darasa mbitin neti iregero neti ene weje ongo swani sipitali neti oldu rodo gengisho ngare ne jeto office MCA ni duagare sheti de lemek o 3.5 million ne de duro osilanga longishu te polling station on muzereki neti darasa o medegata ni debate ke neti are ni debate laila ni debate bimbinet ni debate mori joy nebonu soj ayu na jog ndai nebonu ko lekay soja do ni ngaba lo lekay suji ligiara o mana joro dingalo lek rogor ne memeji na kayu na liginda jogi ajole kayina liginda jogi ka da layo go do e dan domo no nyi dor mushara le mejudi ada shoma le kayoriga na da na bogna rasa na kayine limuni nyolo igero da na kayada anyo de badoringa teneme yolo longani te padoringa ere jaba longoro lek rogor na ga yola do ligel dongana ngati ne yolo ndepen na langeni o igero the wisest man abodi bibilio ji Solomon ne nyora nga segirna na bugu ina ibale lo sojo mada kanyeri yor mada yolo sole meda na ligi amale me yole ni ngome nyongo tanya kanyeli yolo so meranya ngair mada ngop ore ne bugo nu ngedara shede madu ni nejo ishiri de ngeno endi ak medu ngoru ngenol do robo maro la lagi no ay de bere ko naginji amade ko siligila ngai wore na banji ni geto na ngai na wayok na ni nyito gita bayok na gaer gumo ke dole dalonga jaga na jorori lenye niki gira bwe ni silige yok ay de bi serado bolali genda yoti embugu naji enore gerembe ibinabo otigita mobo kashumul donyo kashumul ngonya kai ne yengorol donyo loldo kaji ngwere te tainano olaitoriani oitobiro ngobo keber merama yananda ngai oleng ayirane ngonari nyi ero weje siai kiboito engelare emirorara ngore ngata na na lang bigintero ayina lay debitor gerembe gunu nonji baadu molegenda me wari gana siai kayina inda dalolo senda jo ngayor bungeli nyi ngayor rais linyi na ngayor gabana linyi ngayor rais linyi ngayor rais ngayor gabanai ngayor bungay anda lago dang kana duang mara lagi no